Hello, and today I'm at Chelmsford. I'm at Shenfield station, located on the Great Eastern Main Line, and also the junction for the Southend to Shenfield line. 321332 also stands here. This one just arrived in on a service going from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street. Those were in Attis on the reverse. As also arriving in, we have a TfL Rail class 345 on a terminating service from Liverpool Street. 321306 is on the rear. As 345012 comes in from London Liverpool Street onto Whiskey 12. Coming in now, we have the 1859 Greater Anglia service going from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria. This one is going to be operated by a pair of class 720s. 72536 brings this one in. I think that's 72544 at the rear.
Oh my god.
Oh no, 564 brings up the rear. Alright, getting ready to depart now is the 1859 Greater Anglia service bound for Southend Victoria. It's going to be operated by 72536 and 564. Calling a bit of Ricky, Wickford, Rayleigh, Hockley, Rochford, Southend Airport, Prittlewell and Southend Victoria. We arrive at 1934. Looking very lovely there. Nice to see the 720 in action as well. Arriving in now is the 1903 Greater Anglia service going from London Liverpool Street to Colchester. I said that in a really weird way, Colchester. This is going to be operated by a 4-car class 321, namely 321424. A very short train. Haven't seen 321s operating as 4 cars in ages. Oh, as also arriving in is 322482. This is on a service going from Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street on the 1905. 321424 also looks like it's about ready to depart as well. Yep, interlock lights have gone off. Departing any minute. Is this a double northern? Oh, as also departing out. We've got they departed pretty much simultaneously there. 345012 is offbound for London Liverpool Street as 32144 heads off for Colchester. Its next stop being at Ingatestone. Alright, getting ready to depart now is 322482 along with another 321 at the rear going from Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street. Still you can see its Northern Metro branding, or where it was. Three two one 339 brings up the rear. Our next stop will be at Stratford. 345003 has also arrived in. Coming in RC 1908, Greater Anglia service going from Colchester to London Liverpool Street. This one should be a pair of 321s. (321-305) leads this one in. Oh, it's a 4-car as well, this one. Oh no. As arriving in now, we have two trains, the first being a TfL Rail Class 345, which is coming in from London Liverpool Street, which will be coming on to platform 5. As also arriving in is the 1911, got Greater Anglia service bound for Braintree. See if I can get a shot of both of them. 321342 brings in the Braintree service. 345005 leads in the TfL Rail service. 321330 brings up the rear of this one. Alright, passing out now is the 1911 Greater Anglia service to Braintree. This one actually calls at Ingatestone, Chelmsford, Whittam, White Notley, Cressing, Braintree Freeport and Braintree. Alright, arriving in now is the 1919 Greater Anglia service going from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria. This is going to be led by 321333. And we appear to have a X First Capital connector on at the rear. I don't think I've seen 333 before. Let's see what's at the rear. What is at the rear? At the rear is 321407. We'll catch this pair when it goes off. It's arrived about 2 minutes early. Alright, arriving in now is the 1920 Greater Anglia service going from Colchester to London Liverpool Street. If this is another 4-car. 321303 brings this one in. Thank God it's an 8-car. As the 1919 to Southend Victoria is departing slightly early. Off it goes, 321407 bringing up the rear. 345013 has also arrived in on platform 6, behind the previous TfL Rail 345, which we got rolled by the Southend Victoria service departing. Alright, departing out now is the 1920 Greater Anglia service going from Colchester to London Liverpool Street. 321, 341, bringing up the rear. I can now see 1925 Greater Anglia service going from Southend Victoria to Liverpool Street. This is going to be operated by, oh, it's a 5 car, 720. This might be 558 again. Oh no, that's 522 this time. As 322483 arrives in with a service bound for Ipswich. With 321, 327 bringing up the rear. As a TfL Rail Class 345 is also arriving on platform 5. Squeaky brakes. Here he is. It's 345009. As this one gets ready to depart, I noticed something quite interesting on the Renatuses. You can tell when they were reliveried. So this one, this particular unit, 321327, was reliveried on the 2nd of November 2018. Fair enough, and that was good timing. Train's about to depart. Oh, yep, the 720 behind is also departing. You might get the back of that just as these 321 departs. Complete with compressor. Perfect. 72522 departing out for London Liverpool Street. That must be a new sec. Must have ended service in the past couple of weeks or so. Anyway, as those services go off, that just about sums up my trip from here at Shenfield. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below and do consider subscribing if you enjoy my content. Also do consider following my Instagram if you are interested in, for example, trip updates or when I'm going to post my next video. On that side, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.